We're breaking down India's stock market performance for this week, highlighting key sectors, insights, and what investors can expect in the coming weeks. This week, the Indian stock market showed steady gains. The Sensex closed around 67,200 to 68,000, while the Nifty 50 hovered near 20,000 to 20,200, reflecting a weekly growth of around 1 to 1.5%. Banking, and energy sectors were the top performers, while pharma and FMCG saw minor corrections. In the sector breakdown, banking and financials showed strong growth on positive Q2 results. IT and tech stocks gained from export revenue optimism. Energy, including oil and gas stocks, climbed with crude price stability. On the other hand, pharma, FMCG, and metals faced slight profit booking. Key drivers this week included domestic and global factors. Domestically, Q2 corporate results met expectations, and the Reserve Bank of India's stance on inflation provided stability. Globally, the US Federal Reserve's moderate signals and steady oil prices encouraged foreign fund inflows. Investor sentiment remained cautious, with retail participation being careful, while foreign institutional investors showed a small buying trend. Looking at insights and observations, the market is consolidating in a narrow range, indicating indecision before the next trigger, such as earnings or macro updates. Banking and energy sectors are outperforming, reflecting optimism in the economy, while IT remains resilient. Defensive sectors like pharma and FMCG are taking a breather, presenting potential buying opportunities on corrections. For future predictions, in the short term, over the next 1 to 4 weeks, the market is likely to trade sideways to mildly bullish, with Nifty support at 19,800 and resistance between 20,300 to 20,500. In the medium term, 3 to 6 months, banking, and energy are expected to drive growth, with global factors like US Fed policies and crude oil trends being crucial. In the long term, India's growth story remains strong, and investors should focus on quality mid and large cap stocks, dividend-paying companies, and emerging sectors like renewable energy and digital payments. In conclusion, India's market showed moderate gains and cautious optimism this week. Focus on fundamentally strong sectors and keep an eye on global and domestic cues. Stay informed and invest smartly. This is only for information purposes.